Good morning, afternoon, everyone. We're here today to talk about user experience design or UX design. We'll explore how it's used to create digital experiences that are not only functional but also delightful. So, what exactly is UX design? It's all about putting the user first. It's about creating positive interactions by focusing on their needs and ensuring their satisfaction. This goes beyond just making something usable. It's about making it enjoyable, meaningful, and valuable. As you can see, UX design is user-centered. It focuses on the emotional connection and is very much about problem solving. It's about understanding user behaviors and addressing their pain points with effective design solutions.
The UX design process is a step-by-step method. It starts with research, where we figure out what users need. Then we design and test our ideas. Finally, we improve the design based on the test results. This is a continuous cycle which helps us arrive at the best possible design. This process is similar to the design thinking framework, which involves understanding the user, clearly defining the problem, brainstorming ideas, creating a model, and testing it out. A key part of UX is information architecture, or IA. IA is how we organize content to make it easy for users to find everything that they need. This includes creating easy-to-use navigation, using clear labels, and making search work easier. The origin of this is Richard Saul Verman in the 1990s, emphasizing how important structure is in design. A real-world example, you have to think about a website menu. A well-designed website menu, good IA, helps users quickly find what they want, like the About Us section, products, and contract. A poorly designed menu, bad IA, confuses and frustrates the user. Now, what is manifestation in product design? In product design, IA determines how content is categorized and labeled as well as linked. It affects things like sitemaps, navigations, search, and how content is managed. Good IA helps users do things efficiently, find information easily, and understand how different pieces of content relate, making users' experience way better.
Before the final design, we create wireframes and prototypes. Wireframing helps to visualize the structure, starting with low fidelity sketches and moving to high fidelity prototypes. Prototyping allows us to test the user flow and interaction, gathering valuable feedback early on in the design process. While UX focuses on the overall experience, user interface or UI design focuses on the look and feel. A good UI is both visually appealing and accessible to everyone. It's about creating intuitive controls and ensuring that the design is inclusive.
User testing is critical. We observe real user interactions with our designs, analyzing the results, and then iterating based on their feedback. This iterative process is what allows us to refine the experience and ultimately create good UX. Finally, how do we know if our UX is successful? We track key metrics. This includes task completion rates, user satisfaction scores, and conversion rates. These metrics help us quantify the effectiveness of our design.
UX design has a huge impact. For example, a well-designed e-commerce site with clear navigation and an easy checkout process improves conversions. Ultimately, good UX design leads to customer loyalty, better products, and happy customers.
In conclusion, UX design is essential for creating digital experiences. By understanding user needs, following a systematic design process, and continuously iterating based on feedback, we can create products that are both effective and enjoyable to use. Thank you.